Modal Magic, describing past habits and routines in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of English grammar, modal verbs. Specifically, we'll focus on how we use these special verbs to describe our past habits and routines. Understanding how to use modal verbs correctly can truly help elevate your English language skills, so let's get started. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. The common modal verbs we'll focus on today, which are used to describe past habits, are would, used to, and could. Remember, these verbs can give us important information about an action in the past. Would is often used to describe a habit that happened repeatedly in the past. For instance, every summer, we would go to the beach. Here, would indicates that going to the beach was a past habit or routine. Used to is another way to express past habits or states. For instance, I used to play soccer every weekend. Here, used to indicates that playing soccer was a habit in the past. This is not happening in the present anymore. Could is used to talk about past abilities or possibilities. For instance, when I was younger, I could run for miles without getting tired. Here, could suggests that the speaker had the ability to run for miles in the past. While these three modals may seem similar, they have subtle differences in usage. Would is typically used for past repeated actions, used to can denote a past state or habit, and could is often used to talk about past abilities. And there you have it. Remember, practicing with these modal verbs is key to understanding and using them comfortably in your everyday conversations. We've explored how would, used to, and could can help us describe our past habits and routines. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself using these modals like a pro. As always, we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of English grammar. Happy learning, everyone!